Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, brothers and sisters, greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Seen? Yeah. Like the content, so that's we can get some airtime on YouTube. You know, that's the video staying at the stream. YouTube like when you like it. You don't see it, and at least I ask you for do. Seeing you watch the video, like it. I just say it go. I just say it go. If you don't like it, I say it, me understand. But it's hard for a video get more views than the likes. It's like more people when I like it, I watch it and I like it. While I like is simple and beneficial to the growth of the channel, Rasta, and for other people seeing the same thing that you saw. You know, see, it's just simple. Now we have a crisis in Jamaica, Rasta, where there is no representation for the workers. On the back, and this little idiot boy we are deputy mayor down at Mobile, I talk about Jamaicans unpatriotic because them a run well left Jamaica and now stay and develop it. They will go for bigger, better opportunities abroad. I never hear enough farmer stupidity more deeper than that, Rasta. You know, see, that highest level. You know, see, while the other day you have Matthew down in Mobile we are protest against unfair dismissal that was recorded live on video, and even when the industry come out and try defend themselves and justify them inequality, them unfair treatment, there was no defense, yet still no official stand up and step up front and try make representation on behalf of the people, because obviously if one man can treat one man so in a public, you know, what about the other rest of people them? What about the other rest of people them care we're under your, you know? Yeah. And our big dirty politician them sit down there and not say nothing about that. Yet still them a complain about people who migrate from the island to look better and get better representation and feel more adequate and appreciated in the workspace or in the environment where them the Rasta. You know, say, oh no. I recruit a slave on the one, intimidation can hold people in the island. The damn them want to instill, can't install, can't do it. So now resort to insult and petty name calling and all them dirty nastiness there. We don't know dirty, lazy, corrupt self with a thief like John Crow. Nobody in the world thief like Jamaican politician them, disrespectful, the biggest criminal them, and corrupt. And you come talk about regular people like you can hold a candle for them people here. No politician in Jamaica have no integrity work like compared to any prisoner, any convicted criminal. None whatsoever. You know, see, and the still where you don't want to talk to people like you don't have any, like you don't do anything for the benefit and the development of Jamaica, like you don't have no vision, no causeless, no last, no irrelevant, Rasta. The last election show no, out of 3 million people, and less than 800,000 people vote for the two parties them together. Something is wrong with the UNO with full performance, and rather than looking at yourself and try to fix the thing, make things better, una resort to blame game and name calling. Una have no shame, una diabolically dangerous to any human life, Rasta. Every human life. Una dangerous to. Dangerous. Now the worst and the black people una deal with. No white government no deal with no black people, so you know. Right now, no white government not deal with no black people. Oh, black people deal with black people, Rasta. Them afraid. Even if them have it not them intention, them keep it there. Them afraid to bring it on the forefront, Rasta. Because of the damage what I do to them by them own white citizens, not by the black people, because black people have power, Rasta. You see it? And the same white people them all set up and say, no, that's not acceptable. No, Rasta, you mad, you can't treat me like Jamaican politician treat Jamaican, black Jamaican politician treat Jamaican in a Jamaica. No white man can't treat me so England and me an immigrant. Him losing job immediately. And a white people are pressure him out. You know see it? Oh, them a hide them thing from and a spew hate and division amongst so that's no we start to explore. Forget hell. Let me tell you something. White people is broken by the memory, the shame and disgrace of slavery. These days, a lot of white people, vast percentage of white people will bend over backwards for make amends, Rasta, in a for them simple little way. What alienate and what ostracize most of them is the fact that we not trust none of them. See? So, even them who want to help see it in them interest, just hold them corner and observe, because at the end of the day, them don't want the abuse neither. Regardless of how sorry they are. You know, see, you have to be apologetic to somebody who is prepared to accept your apology. You're not going to waste the time and, the face of death, threat to life and danger and things like that. Because of all of that, that's a dialogue where I come from community these days. And we know that. You know, see it. And me know all of that is scientifically engineered to maintain the divide. And so that's the stereotype. The status quo can be, can live longer. You know, see it. Yeah. No politician no deal with black people like how black politician deal with black people. Style them, belittle them. You know? No? Yeah. Rasta, you have a call center in Jamaica where I work the people them, Rasta, them name Consortium, I am sure. You see it? And that are them the name where them go by, but it come like say they manage all of the little call center them cross the island. See? It call them, and them call themselves now CaribbeanJobs.com. See? Now when I look a little further, I realize that them guys even have a separate name. Them come from somewhere else, not just Jamaica. Them practice them craft elsewhere. All over the place. So these people aren't people who are going to jeopardize them reputation for the sake of some little sick, twisted boys, some greedy, craven slave master, black slave master where they are Jamaica today. We are enable the abuse of them common man and I enjoy it. You know, see, what you know? These guys that claim so them a run call center and them a recruit. Them a recruit employee. Everywhere me go in a Britain and I look for a job, I check out any job site in Britain. Where them start with is the starting wage and show you how far up you can climb with the abilities where you have at present. Or for the task where you do. So you can base after it's like after a probationary period, and things like that. After you show a certain level of competence, after training, your pay rise, your pay will go up some more. Plus with bonus and them way there. We know bonus thing no work, but them add that sweet talk to it to make it work. But look on Jamaican job recruitment site where them called CaribbeanJobs.com. Sales representative, customer service, training tech personnel, call center pros. The money, wage, not disclosed. Updated the 11th of August. You see it? Kingston and St. Andrew St. Catherine. Call Center Pros Limited currently hiring for the following position. Enrollment agent, CSR, also follow us on IG and whatever. You see it? But how disrespectful, how enticing is that? How desperate could a people be? If you go for a job like that, where there's this undisclosed wage, how attractive, what where the incentive there? How these people expect to attract people just with the argument of a job offer? This is how desperate them put Jamaica people in a corner, whereby there is no, I mean, how is this even possible, Rasta? And watch this. Customer Call Center. ACT, Advanced Call Center Technologies, not disclosed. Wage, not disclosed. Sales specialist with bonus potential up to 1,000 USD. Advanced Call Center Technologies LLC. Wage, not disclosed. Not disclosed. On them still call center agent inbound, worldwide BPO and call center. Not negotiable. Negotiable. Collection specialist call center. Negotiable. I want every people that we are contract work to them boy from abroad. With them sort of attitude, yeah, them principle don't exist. You have to show more respect to your workforce. I wonder if them people here is aware of how them people here, how vague them people here is or can be with the people that we are work for them. Because when you run certain big company in a Rasta, you have to ensure and maintain a certain standard towards the staff, or else it can affect you. Vastly can affect you, dangerously can shut you down in the world today. You understand what I say? I wonder if them people are aware say slave labor, forced labor, exploitation, Jamaican people are work for them under. I call the whole on the name, because me know. Now they have been a hypocrite and go on like say, we naive, we don't know. You don't see it. Certified call center sales training Kingston. Work rate. Work price negotiable, wage rate negotiable. What kind of fuck with them here? Customer service agent call center. Wage. See description. Them boy, them people really go look them job here. Jamaica people and really go for that interview for them. Come on, man. Come on, man. Demand little respect for yourself, no man. Demand some respect for yourself, Rasta. Protest against them thing and make some boy make known the price when I get paid. Cause when I get less than $5 an hour. While that's why they put negotiable and them now put the wage there because the big company them will hire them might see it. Because the big company give them up to 25, from 15 to 25 pounds for pay the work of them. And still I give them for them benefits for housing the work of them. For run a company. You understand? And them still are going to what them are going to $5 and less than $5 Rasta. It's against the policy where get them the contract. The policy where the company are run under based on the bigger company will subsidize that job to them. I will pass out the job to them then. See? Them a work below the standard where the company require. All you have to do, I write a giant letter and send it, or an email and send it to the mother company, the parent company. You know, see it? Or the big company will franchise out the work to them, Rasta, and done them. Done them, send them a prison. Oh, now make you own a black people. I be on a slave master now. A slave. It's like an ex-slave come buy slave now and I run a plantation. And that I go on to Jamaica. You know see it? Now all media Jamaica, some of them people are scared. Them afraid. Them not no security. Them life miserable. You know see it? Yes, Rasta. Oh, we know for go burn youth we are demand extortion and them sitting there from business people when the treatment towards the work of them and I mean, it's, you know, it's inhumane, Rasta. call center agent, professional marketing associate, wage not disclosed. Professional marketing associates, wage not disclosed. Certified inbound call center agent, Kingston, wage not disclosed. Certified outbound call center agent, Kingston, wage not disclosed. Certified call center team leader, Montego Bay, wage not disclosed. Now, this is not an individual wage, you know. Wage is supposed to be like the basic wage, starting wage, and things like that. And it's up to them to show you the level where you can reach if there is any reach. You understand what I say? It's not in a guy interest. If he tell you about wage not disclosed and all them stuff, it should be publicly addressed. I mean, what's wrong? If it's not, if it's within regulation, if it's within regulation, yo, all our government, you see all the politicians, dirty drunko, and me a boy down a mobile where I come and talk about people, a coward for run with. A slave, you look, dirty slave master boy, you freaking maroon drunko, you, from over Maroon Town. Where demand the reward for carry back slave in a recent time. You see? When the mobile people them a deal with, or the mobile gunman them a deal with. I watch no mama and no baby mother work for us. No baby mother a slave. No mama a slave. No neighbor a slave. And una gunman in them community a terrorize them same way. You know what I mean? Nobody, nothing, narrow yourself, no good. Una a slave too. Una secure the plantation for the slave master. Gunman a do that rasta. Some of them people are going to go work for little and nothing out of fear from being in the community amongst you. You know see? Because you don't stand for nothing. You just sit down there and watch all of them things. You don't love nobody rasta. You know see? Oh, I and if they even ask for any level of consideration from the item regarding, you know, a structure. You know, this is simple. This happened to Uno. This happened to Uno immediate baby mother. I want to sit back and lower. Hey, go ahead. Go ahead. Over the bumbuckler. You see, certified start working August 22nd. Inbound call center. Sales agent MBJ. Not disclosed. Influx call center operation manager. Work from home all parishes. Wage. Not disclosed. Quality analysis. WFH. BPO. Caribbean Solutions, HR Solutions, Caribbean HR Solutions, wage not disclosed. Outbound sale agent, Fusion BPO, Fusion is the logo, name, wage, see description. Oh, see the description there right, it's a rasta. I man see nothing like wage night. You know see it? On-site, customer and sales reservation agent needed Montego Bay. People don't stop to them okay on a strike no man. Chobombo clot man. Come on man. You not lappy dog. You not value on yourself. Put some value upon yourself so that other boy can put value upon you too. You run down work for this. This site shouldn't be impossible today because there should be no business in Jamaica for people like them. Yeah. If I saw them want to administrate Rasta, what this man, this a pain me heart, Jamaica man. The ball in a phone court with that one and sit back and make a guy. I never see nothing like this, Rasta. Never see nothing like this. Never see nothing like this. $25 them I get for go no and them I go no less than 5 and sometimes 5 if you don't work really hard. You can imagine that? You can't imagine the bomb. Yo, you have to stop make representation on behalf of Jamaica people, Rasta. A world thing we have to deal with. Jamaica people can't be. No, Rasta. It's unfair. A blood pressure business this. A high blood pressure business this. It's long I watch Jamaica take them bomb over there. You know, and attack and come on, man. And a big bomb clot people, Rasta. And it's long I take things like that, and I expect man to defend, you know. Not idiot. Look like you're not idiot. Stay on the yard for 5 days, you know. Stay on the yard for 1 week and see what happens next week now. Oh, what do them people here, Rasta? This hurt everybody heart. Everybody, every human being, ball when them see them something here, Rasta. A place like Jamaica, I stand for this. VXI account associate sales not disclosed. HGS Healthcare brand advocate. HGS Healthcare Betain not disclosed. Fusion customer service agent again not disclosed. Innovative vision talent acquisition not disclosed. Continuum not disclosed. Continuum not disclosed. Continuum not disclosed. Them people are one full page that and a 4 page there. 4 page there. Me no think on the 4th page man go see no any weight package. You know see it? Then one day would have been the most visited site and it put them up at the front in the stream because so it go. You know see, the more visitors you get, automatically you get prop up this up by the website. You get pushed on the front because you're the favorite for the people. And that's what site's about. Site cater for people. It's better for you attract people. So when people look on it, they're supposed to see something that make them want to stay. When you look on this, when you see negotiable, not disclosed and all of them things there, or something was supposed to draw you in. The main influence for make you want to go work, for them people here is missing. Everything else there, you know. How much hour them want you work, how long. Jamaica, you see that 1 year in particular, me disappointed in the whole island. And this is very frustrating, Rasta. You know, see it? I don't want them to say me for there now and just, when me observe them things, I just know some people sit down and facilitate crime, you know. People sit down and be the enabler for them own destruction in Jamaica. Because when you see them things happen, you nip it on the board with the power where you have at your availability. Simple resource, manpower. You don't address them sort of issue. Where the hell you expect to go happen? You did hungry before them boy come with them cheap, little and nothing work. Stay hungry another week now, make them boy fix up them business, make them boy set the record straight. A guy take like 3-4 times what you get. 15 say 4 times what I mean. This is not right, Rasta. This is not right in so many ways. In one way, this is not right. One bumbuckler way. Is the way of the people them sit down and take it. You know see, no organized strike, no protest out. Hey, Donnelly mother have more balls than the whole of no work a call center Jamaica. You a slave. You just some lucky. You know where they in the call center work and no hungry make you work for that. You not shame, no pride, no self-esteem. You are descendant of the Selassie, I know star. Last thing we want to cuss out black people, you know, any black people. You know, see, we have your life in your and you can't so desperate. We want to negotiate. I know,